My mom's recipe chicken rassa Belgavi style. We will need 750 grams chicken with bone. Apply 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Rub it in and marinate for 1 hour. Keep it aside. For the garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander, jeera, cinnamon, 7 cloves, 3 cardamom, kalpasi or shero, 10 to 12 peppercorn, 3 kankod, you can see it in the picture, that is called kebab chini. Dry roast all this. Then you can add 2 teaspoon oil. Roast till golden. Remove it in a plate. In the same kadai, we will add dry coconut. Grate it. We need only 3 tablespoons. Roast the coconut on low flame till light golden. If it turns dark, it will become bitter. Add 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Remove this also in the same plate. Add 2 teaspoon oil. Add 2 onions sliced. Saute till soft and light golden. Remove it in the same plate. Cool this and grind to a paste using water. Heat 4 tablespoon oil in a kadai. If you like the red layer on top, add more. 1 bay leaf, 1 chopped onion. Saute till golden. You can see it now, it's golden. Add half teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon chili powder, the Belgavi variety. Stir on low flame. Now we will add chopped tomato. 1 big tomato is enough. Now stir fry. Add little water to cook the tomatoes. Cover and cook till it is mushy. Now mash the tomatoes to form a gravy. We will add the marinated chicken to this and stir fry. Add salt to taste. Little chopped coriander. Approximately 2 tablespoons is enough. 1 green chili for flavor and add 1 glass of water. We will cook the chicken first. Cover and cook on medium flame. Check if chicken is cooked and add the finely ground masala. Cook this till the flavors are infused in the chicken. Keep it on low flame. Now the chicken is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.